So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, discuss lang natin is yung different types of sticker and saan siya ginagamit. So we have the inkjet vinyl sticker, transparent, and we have the glossy photo sticker paper, and we have the iTech vinyl sticker glossy. So, first discuss natin si glossy photo sticker paper. So, here is our sample. So, this photo sticker paper, printed siya using pigment ink. So, photo sticker paper is just an ordinary actually na photo sticker. So, this is not waterproof. This is not smudge proof. And this is not alcohol proof. So, pag nilagyan natin siya ng alcohol, even pigment ink yung gamit natin, yan, yun yung sirat, nag-i-smudge siya, nabubura, na-fade siya. Okay? Then, the next one is, pag pinunit natin siya, gamit ang kamay, napupunit siya. So, that is the photo sticker paper na ordinary. So, usually, ginagamit lang to for tagging lang sa mga boxes, saka sa mga tags na disposable. So, this is for disposable things. Usually, siya ginagamit saka sa mga one-time lang na gamitan, like sa mga notebooks, ganyan, bottles na disposable. Kasi since ito medyo mura siya compare sa vinyl sticker. So our next one is the iTech vinyl sticker. This is the iTech vinyl sticker glossy. So this is our sample. So this is iTech vinyl sticker. This is waterproof. This is smudge proof, but this is not alcohol proof. So pag nilagyan natin siya ng alcohol, yan, tapos, in-smudge na natin, or in-scratch na natin. As you can see, it fades. Okay? But, how to make it waterproof, alcohol-proof? You use Phototap, all the cold laminating sheet. So, yung cold laminating sheet, it protects the vinyl sticker para hindi siya mag-fade. So, ito. So, this sticker, meron siyang Phototap. So, kahit anong punas ko dyan, hindi siya mabubura. Kasi meron siyang Phototap. Or yung cold laminating sheet na tinatawag. Okay? Then, the next one is, so, wait lang. Ginagamit to usually for branding ng mga product. For example, this one, dishwashing liquid. Possible siyang mabasa. Possible siyang mag-spill. Ganyan. So, mas advisable to use to use the iTech vinyl sticker with Phototap pag sa mga dishwashing liquids. Ganyan. Tsaka sa mga oils na bottles. For lip tints, ganyan. So, good for branding siya. Then, the next one is the inkjet vinyl sticker transparent. Sorry, maingay. Nasa kalsada lang. Then, ang gamit ni inkjet vinyl sticker na transparent is for plaques. Okay? So, when you tear this one, ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, dalawang layer siya. So, we have the transparent layer. Ito yung inkjet na vinyl sticker natin. Printable siya, guys. So, we have the vinyl decal sticker. So, sandwich method yung tawag namin dyan. So, there you go. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin for plaques. Si iTech vinyl sticker na glossy, tsaka si inkjet vinyl sticker ng Chanvi is almost the same naman. It's waterproof, smudge-proof. Pero, kailangan, pag transparent inkjet vinyl sticker yung gagawin nyo, kailangan nyo siya ng photo top or vinyl decal, depende sa application na gagamitan nyo. So, I hope this helps. And thank you for watching again. So, see you. Bye!